Hey everyone, welcome back to Cloveron. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our helpful tutorials. Today, we're going to learn 2 simple ways to superscript and subscript text in PowerPoint. These tips are perfect for adding that professional touch to your presentations. Let's dive in. Method 1, using the font dialog box. First up, let's explore the traditional method using the font dialog box. Let's start with Superscript, which is often used for mathematical formulas or footnotes. Here's how you can do it. First, type the text you want to format and highlight the part you want to make superscript. Right-click on the selected text, and in the menu, click on Font. This will open the font dialog box. In the dialog box, check the Superscript option under Effects and hit OK. You'll see the selected text raised above the rest. Easy, right? Next, let's tackle Subscript, which is great for chemical formulas or other technical notations. The steps are almost identical. Type your text and select the part you'd like to subscript. Right-click on the text, click Font, and open the font dialog box. Now check the Subscript option under Effects and click OK. Your text will now appear below the baseline. Method 2, using keyboard shortcuts. Now let's look at a faster way, using keyboard shortcuts. Select the text you want to format. Press Ctrl+Shift= on Windows or Command+Shift= on Mac. This will instantly apply the superscript effect. Subscript. Select the text you want to format. Press Ctrl+= on Windows or Command= on Mac to apply the subscript effect. Bonus tip. Here's a quick bonus tip. You can combine these formatting options with color changes or bold text to make your superscripts and subscripts stand out even more. And that's it. 2 easy ways to superscript and subscript text in PowerPoint. I hope this tutorial helps you create stunning presentations. If you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your family and friends. Let me know in the comments what PowerPoint tips you'd like to see next. And as always, hit that subscribe button for more quick and easy tutorials. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.